In today's video, we're going to be changing the air filter in an N52 engine for the E90 platform. And in order to install the new filter, unlike some earlier models, this entire airbox will need to be first removed from the car so we can separate the two halves here and install the new filter. First, we have two 10mm bolts securing the airbox to the body of the car. Next, we'll separate this plastic fresh air intake bellow from the second half of the box. And we'll need to disconnect the map sensor here and a hose clamp for the intake. To disconnect the sensor, we'll lift up on the plastic tab carefully. Now, in order to change out the filter, there are some Torx bits along the perimeter of the box. We'll remove those, split the box into two halves, and exchange out the old filter for the new one. And the proper bit size here is a T25. And there's 6 of these screws in total. Now we can split the airbox. Now what's cool about the E90 series is that the factory airbox has a secondary filter built into the airbox itself. So this can be replaced if necessary. As you can see, this one's really clean because it's initially protected by this first element here. That ultimately protects our airflow sensor here. We'll just press the filter in here, make sure it's fully seated, and we'll reattach the other half of the box. Alright, now we can reinstall this box back into the car. Now, during the reinstallation, most of your effort's going to be focused on getting the intake boot onto the airbox inlet first. We'll tighten up the clamp on the airbox here. And slide our connector back into place. And finally, the two 10mm bolts for the box.